birthday to you. Happy birthday, my loves.
Birthday to
33 ka na.
Oh, 24 na.
24.
Happy birthday. Lalaman kami sa tabi mo ngayon. Lagi mong isipin palagi na mahal ka namin. Naway pagpalain ka sa lahat ng pagpupursige mo sa buhay at matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. Nakasama ang pamilya mo at lahat ng mahal mo sa buhay. Happy birthday yan.
Happy birthday, Nak. Wishing you all the best. Ingat lagi. Love ka ni Nanay. Yee.
Happy birthday, Dave. More blessings to come and more cars to come.
Happy birthday to me and to you. Sana matapos na yung birthday natin. Okay? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dave!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dave!
Ayan. Thank you sa pagmamahal kila RK tsaka kaya siya, and wish you good health and more blessings. And we love you!
We love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dave. More beers.
Happy birthday, Tita! We love you!
Dave, I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, good day. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka naman?
Kuya.
Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. Kasi kami, ini-enjoy namin yung araw ngayon. Dahil yun lang, sana gawin mo pang malupit ang taon na to. At alagaan mo ang lahat. Pati ang health mo. Tapos, yun lang.
More blessings to come, Kuya.
Happy birthday!
Kuya Dave, happy birthday! Bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dave. Sana hindi mo na ako sungitan. And thank you sa inyo ni ate so much for giving us love, care, support, and everywhere, anywhere. Yun lang. Bye. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Sir Dave. Thank you sa tanan. Sa lahat sa lahat ng blessing na binigay mo. At saka sa pagpangunawa. sa inyo dalawa ni Ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Toto. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dave! Wish namin, sana naman lagi kang malulok para sa anak mo. Laging healthy ang inyong family.
Nakalimutan ko, sir. More blessing to come and para marami ka pang mabigyan ng blessing mo. Thank you. Nakalimutan ko ulit pala. Happy birthday and good health. Wow, thank you po. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sir Dave. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Tandaan mo namin, pero you're so bait. Yearly. So, sana magkaroon pa ng maraming blessings, more health sa family mo, lalo na kay James. And huwag ka magpakapagod. Sobra. Siyempre, mas maganda pa rin nakasama ka ng mas matagal ng family. At namin. So, see you soon. And, see you soon.
Happy birthday. Siguro gusto lang namin malaman mo, sir, na isa ka sa inspiration namin. Motivation yung kung nasan kayo ngayon, parang, Reko, may aming case. sana maging ganun din kami para sama-sama tayo sa taas. Yun lang. Happy birthday, bye-bye.
Birthday, bye-bye.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Pray na mag-ingat ka lagi na hindi lang ikaw syempre, ganun din sa family mo. Kay Ate Grace and lalong-lalo na sa baby niya si Days. And I pray na in good health kayo lagi. And also, lalong-lalo na si Days, syempre na baby pa. And I pray na lahat ng meron ka ngayon is matagal mo nang pinag-pray, and I'm happy for you na sa family mo ngayon na natupad din lahat. And ayun, more birthdays to come, and mag-ingat ka lagi sir. Thank you. Happy birthday.
It's Dave's Day. Ay, sorry, Dave's Day pala ngayon, Sir Dave. Birthday mo pala kasi si Dave's. Lagi nakikita ko sa Facebook because of Ma'am Grace eh. Happy birthday sa aking mabuting kaibigan, business partner, kasama sa mga kalokohan, kachismisan, at ang nag-iisang CEO ng SD Consultancy. Sir Dave, more blessings sa inyo, sa family mo, of course, lalo kay Days, kay Ma'am Grace. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo. You know, it's a win-win situation between you and us na nagtutulungan tayo to make money for the future of our family. Wala na akong masasabi pa kasi I know na isa kang mabuting ama, isa kang mabuting kaibigan, isa kang mabuting katrabaho, isa kang mabuting CEO, and I hope you enjoy your day. Hindi namin alam kung ano pa yung ibibigay namin sa iyo kasi parang lahat ng bagay na gusto mo na sa iyo na, as in lahat. So, sabi ni Ma'am Grace, kailangan daw meron kaming video presentation. So, yun lang Sir Dave, mag-ingat ka lagi and mag-ingat tayo para sa family natin, para sa kay Dave, sa mga magiging anak ng future leaders of this nation. Mag-ingat tayo. And yun lang sir, happy birthday and God bless you always. Bye-bye sir, more money and more clients to come.
Hi Sir Dave! Happy birthday sa inyo po, and I'm very grateful that I was able to meet you. You really provide opportunities sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo, kaya deserve ang more blessing for you and your family.
Happy birthday Sir Dave! Wishing you more blessings sa inyong family
And sa business.
and more clients sa inyong business.
Camping tayo soon.
Joyride with your new car.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Davey. Happy birthday to you. Men, gusto ko lang batiin ka ng happy birthday. And maraming salamat sa 8 years na friendship natin since STI days. I know naman na you are super blessed now, pero sana hindi magsawa si Lord na i-bless ka pa at maging blessings ka sa iba. So, wish ko lang ay, syempre, a good health, long life, and ayun, happy birthday ulit, men. See you when I see you. Sana matuloy na yung plano natin sa ating triple date nila Ma'am Rox. And enjoy your day, men. And happy birthday from Campus Family.
Ito po ay para sa pinaka-awesome, pinaka-amazing, pinaka-the best, at pinaka-inspiring na human being na nakilala ko. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana the year ahead is going to bring more fulfillment, more blessings, more opportunities, more grace for you and your family. I do hope that you inspire more people to become the better version of themselves, or to be more unapologetically themselves. And yun, ang ano ko lang talaga is hanggang ngayon I am still inspired by you, by your lessons, by your questions, by your ideas, and you as a person who has manifested everything that he worked for before, yung mga na-imagine mo before. Nakaka-amaze yung makita coming into fruition ngayon. Yun. And stay safe always. Do not experiment anymore sa anything that is in liquid form. Yun lang.
Happy birthday po, Sir Dave. I hope you have a good day and more birthdays to come po.
So, hello Sir Dave! Happy birthday po! Then, this poem is dedicated to our best educator. Nag-compose po ako ng maliit lang na tula. Then, all the magic begins when Sir Dave starts to dream. While he sips in his cup, he built his team in a snap. They work together as company, but Sir Dave looks them as family, where all the hardships bear fruits and become Sir Dave's legacy. In this 13th day of December, may your wishes come true. To the man who loves cats and great coffee beans too, he who cares to his family and always proud of his tattoo. To the successful Sir Dave, the dreamer, happy birthday to you. So, happy birthday Sir Dave and advance Merry Christmas. Thank you po. Thank you po sa lahat ng opportunity na binigay mo and sa mga life lessons po na naituro mo sa amin. Thank you po.
Hello po, sir. Happy birthday. Wishing you a happy life, a loving family, and good health always. We're very proud of everything you've accomplished and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Sir Dave. Wishing you a year filled with so much love and great things ahead. Even though the whole group and you are not in a consistent contact right now, please know that we're always happy to see you thriving and enjoying life with your beautiful family now. And we're also proud because we know that you truly worked hard for everything you have in life now. So again, happy birthday, Sir Dave!
Happy birthday, Sir Dave! May babati sa'yo, Sir Dave. Sabi mo, happy birthday! Sabi mo, happy birthday, Sir Dave! Hindi ko kilala. Ay, hindi mo kilala. Ay, hindi ko daw niya kilala, Sir Dave. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Dave. We are so proud sa mga achievement mo ngayon. Deserve mo yan. Stay healthy and God bless.
Okay, yun na talaga. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Dave. Happy birthday po.
Thank you sa pagtiwala sa amin. Thank you din sa opportunities na binigay niyo sa amin. And here's to more success for the next year. Ayan lang, friend.
What she said. Happy birthday po.
Wala naman po seat ko dito.
Ha?
Seat.